Okay, next we have the Prismacolor coloring pencils, and here I have selections of purples and kind of vintage purple. So we'll start with those. And again, I'll first I'll do just pure pencils, no no blending pens or Gamsol or anything. So I'll start with the lightest one. And the stamp is from, where did my stamp? It's from Bloom with Hope, which will be hostess set in the upcoming catalog. And this is just, it comes in 2 cases because it's pretty large stamp set. And this is the stamp that I'm using. I don't have the sticker on the back side, but I don't know what I did with the package, but anyway. Okay, I'll start with the lighter one, and here I stamp again with Memento ink onto the Stampin' Up! Naturals cardstock. So I'm coloring everything with the lightest one, and I'm putting that aside, and I'm going with the darker. And here I'm not planning to use white, but I just pulled it out just in case if I change my mind. Okay, then I'll skip this one and I go with the next, I think, 4. Pretty good. Number 4 blending. And then I'll go with the darkest just to do some highlights where I'm thinking that it will be the darkest. And then I'll go again with the, not the lightest, but next to the lightest. I think this was it. Kind of blend those colors. Kind of pull a little bit the darker towards the edges. And then go with the lightest one. Kind of at the ends. Not to do any blending, just. Okay. And I think this is pretty much done. It's pretty easy. And this color, not this color, but this cardstock is really good for colored pencils. So you can see they blend it up pretty well. So because the cardstock is not smooth, it has tooth in it, so you can do the same thing on crumb cake, but I think it works even better on the Naturals Ivory cardstock. This is Naturals White. I think it's Naturals Ivory. So next is we'll do baby oil. So let's see, I'll do this flower here, and now I'm going with the, not the darkest, but next to the darkest. I'll just do one shade. I'm just putting the color where the darkest parts should be, and leaving the lightest alone. So then I'll take my baby oil and my paper stamp, and kind of start blending again from the where the darkest is.